Under lock and key.
Several stores in New York City say the cost of the canned meat product has soared to nearly $4 a can. So they are forced to keep it inside plastic anti-theft cases because so many people have been stealing it. And it's not just Spam. Dwayne Reed stores are also locking other products like canned tuna to deter shoplifters. $4 a can?
Yeah. But inflation is higher in other countries
Yeah.
than it is here. Oh, Spam.